Hi family and friends, thanks for joining me. Today my grandson is over and I'm going to make him some of his favorites. We're going to have dogs in a blanket. These are things that we'll need: margarine, a can of pork and beans, 2 slices of cheese, crescent dough, and smoked sausage. And I'll be right back to show you how we'll prepare it. We're going to take our sausages and place them in already boiling water. Just to cook them up a little bit. I'm going to get some of those oils out. We're going to cook those for about 10 minutes. No more, no less. We're going to take our pork and beans, pour them into the pan. We're going to add our ketchup. And our margarine. We're going to take them and turn it on high. And when it starts to boil, we'll turn it down to medium. And we'll only cook those for about 10 or 12 minutes. And I'll be back when that's done. Okay, I've taken my sausages out, and I've only cooked them maybe about 4 minutes, maybe. I put them on a paper towel and let them drain. Over here, I have my beans on a low simmer. I let them come to a boil, and I turned them all the way down. I'm just going to let them simmer till I'm ready to serve them. I have my oven preheating for 375. And my crescent dough, I cut it out. I'm going to make actually about 3 with cheese and 3 without, but I'm just going to do a few so you can see. I'm just going to place. That's my oven, y'all. Place it here and just wrap it. I'm going to place it over here. I'm going to do this one with cheese. I'm going to place it here, cheese on top, and I'm going to wrap it. This is just some freezer paper. It's kind of like multi-purpose. You can do almost anything with it. Okay, this one, lay it flat, wrap it. I'm going to take this one. I'm going to put the cheese on it. And I'm going to wrap it. And I'm going to do my other couple and put them in the oven. And I'll show you the end results. Be back shortly. Oh. And here it is, guys. You have your dogs in the blanket, one with cheese, one without. You have your pork and beans, a glass of lemon water, and there you have it. That's an easy meal when the kids come over and you just want to cook something really fast and satisfying. This will do it. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hope that it was as much fun for you as it was for me. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time, be well.